First thing I did was I came over to Google and just search Google Translate over here, just like this. And you want to go and select any language over here, for example, Hungarian. And if I go and type, for example, make money online, it will automatically translate this English text to Hungarian over here. You can select from hundreds of different languages. And using this one specific website, I was able to get paid over $808 from this company on the 24th of March, which was about a week ago, for translating simple text and articles to various different languages from around the world. Just to show you that this is a live payment to my PayPal account and not any kind of screenshot or photoshopped tool or anything like that, I'm just going to go and click on reload. And there you can see that this has been refreshed and is a live payment from this company called Latium LLC for translating any kind of text, articles that people have been giving me to any language that they want. And they've been paying me online to do this. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here from the Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel, where I document my daily journey on various ways that I use to make money online. Specifically in today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can get paid to do various translation jobs, and not only specifically to PayPal, but this website also pays cryptocurrency. So this is a great way to accumulate cryptocurrencies, which also makes money on itself. On my YouTube channel over here, I'm uploading daily epic videos on different ways that you can make money online, from drop servicing to forex trading to e-commerce to dropshipping, affiliate marketing, all sorts of ways. So if you want to get a daily video from me, make sure to go and subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. But without further ado, we're not going to waste any time and we're going to get straight into the first platform. So the first website that you want to come over to is called latium.org over here, and you want to click on join website on the top left. So I'm going to go and click on join. You just need to go and sign in with your email address. If you've got a Google, Facebook, or Apple account, you can sign in directly with those accounts. I'm just going to go and type in my email and meet you on the back end. Once you've logged into a dashboard, you'll be able to browse all sorts of services, very similar to Fiverr. So you can pay people to create you storyboards, catalog designs, web and mobile design, postcards, social media design, signage, game art. There's infinite categories on here. One of my favorites is definitely digital marketing, that is web traffic, SEO, etc. But in this specific video, one of the easiest ways to make money is if you come over to writing and translation, and you come over to translation and transcription. You can open up translation, speech writing, and transcripts over here, and take a look at some of these people getting paid to do simple translation jobs. I mean, for example, this specific gig only has 8 people promoting here right now. This person has already had 16 reviews, and they're just translating from Russian to English. So out of 16 reviews, they've made $160 on this specific server so far, just translating any kind of text from Russian to English or English to Russian. Now you can go and create a gig on here, and you will most likely be on the top page, as there's literally just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 people on here right now, and each of these people, as you can see, except one maybe, has had sales. So people are getting sales. This person over here translates articles from English to French and Spanish at $5 each. He's had 18 reviews, which means he's had a minimum of 18 sales from this. So they're making really good money from this. You'll have a look over here, speech writing. This category isn't doing that well. Many people aren't getting sales. Over here for transcripts, definitely doing better here. I see more consistent sales and better reviews. So you want to go and click on switch to freelancer over here, so that you can go and post your own gigs. So we're going to go click on get started on the top right. You want to click on I want to work over here. You want to click on list your service. Just go and complete your profile. It's super important that you do this because you do need to have a complete profile so that people know more about you. So I'm just going to go and fill out some of my information. I've got an icon picture here, country. You want to go and enter your birth date and your language over here. We can click on next. For what skills do you have? Choose category. Again, you want to go and look for translation jobs. So that will be translation and languages. And over here, we can choose Afrikaans, Arabic, Bengali, Bulgarian. You just can actually go and select all of these, because remember, Google Translate is going to do all of that work for you. Just go and choose these here. For example, what is your experience level of Afrikaans? You want to go and select expert, intermediate, experts, expert for most of these. You want to show latium.com that you are an expert in these languages. So just go and mix and mash between intermediate and expert. So let's just go intermediate. We can then click on next over here. While down your first service on Latium, let's go and click on list service. Over here, we want to go and list our service title, description, and our category, and then some of our tags. For your service title, we can go and type, I will translate any language to any language for you. Description: I am an experienced freelancer in the languages field. This is correct spelling. I've been translating transcripts and articles for over 5 years. For the category, again, we want to go and look for translation. So that would be writing and translation. Subcategory, we can do article writing, and you can maybe go and post another gig in translation, website content, ebook writing, etc. For our tags, we're just going to type here, tags obviously related to your service. Transcribe, translate, let's go Arabic, translate English to, let's go Polish, translation work, for example. Click on enter. We can also type ebook translation. We can type website translation, and I think this should be enough. So these keywords are basically relative to search terms that people put on Google, Fiverr, Latium.com when searching for a specific service, so that you will go and pop up first for this particular service. For our cover photo over here, we can literally just go and search any kind of pictures. So let's just come over to pexels.com. We can just go and get some stock photos, maybe of a PC screen or translation. So let's just go translate. Click on translate and let's see what they give us. So over here we can go and use maybe this picture here. We can just click on download, free download. We can come back, that's downloading. We can click on this one here of this dictionary, free download. That's busy downloading. And we can also go and maybe download this one up here of this book. Click on free download, and you just want to get a couple of free pictures to go and post on your gig. So once this is downloaded, we can come back to Latium over here, upload our cover. So just come back to downloads. We can then click on done, and we can upload some extra images here. So just go and upload the other two. So for example, this one and this one, click on open, and again, this one over here, click on open. Once you've got your gig ready over here and your pictures uploaded and your service filled out, we want to click on next. And we want to have two different packages. We've got basic, standard, and premium. So to get a good idea of how this works, just come over to writing and translation on latium.org, and we can come over to translation. Just open up another one of these gigs and have a look at what they have to offer. So for their basic, they basically have words included, document formatting, and the premium also proofreading with 3 revisions and 5-day delivery, 3-day delivery, 1-day delivery. So we basically want to go and create something similar. So for our basic package, we can have over here silver, describe the details. We can have short translation of 200 words or less. Revisions, we want to have words included. We can have 200 words. Focus keywords, that doesn't matter. We can do topic research, and that's fine for now. For standard, we can go and type gold. Here we can type longer translation of up to 1,000 words with proofreading by a native speaker. Here for this, we can have 2-day delivery. For our price for our standard, we can have $15 or let's go $20. And revisions, we can go 3. For the maximum word count, we can have 1,000. And we can have topic research and references and citations. And for our premium, we can have platinum for our description, long translation up to 2,000 words. Let's just correct this, words, and proofreading by a native speaker. So over here we can have 5-day delivery on this. This we can charge, for example, $85, and we can have 3 proofreads over here as well, maybe 2 for the gold package. Maximum word count, we can have 2,000, and we can have all these 2 checked over here. And over here on how you want to get paid, you can get paid via Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can add all sorts of other coins over here like Litecoin, USD coin, basic attention token. So you can get paid in all sorts of these cryptocurrencies over here. Once you're ready, we can go and click on next. And for extra services, so if you want to have an additional revision, we can charge an extra $10 for that. Additional words, we can go an extra $1 per 100 words. Topic research, we don't need any of this. We can click on next over here. For frequently asked questions, we can leave as is. Click on next over here. For requirements, we don't have to have any of that. And we can click on finish review over here. And when you're ready, you can go and click on post service and post this publicly on this website. So when people come here, they can choose from your various different packages. Your most expensive package will obviously be $85. And this is how you're going to get money online, literally translating text. So what will happen is people will then send you a transcript or an article. For example, let's go Hindi article on cats. It doesn't really matter, but we just want to find something that, yeah, a cat essay in Hindi. We just want to find something that's in a different language just to give you an idea of what you're going to receive as a freelancer. So let's just go and open this up. And over here, for example, you will get an article that looks like this. Obviously, if they've selected 200 words, you're only going to translate 200. If they selected your gold package, it's 1,000, and your platinum package is 2,000 words. So we can go, for example, copy this introduction over here, just as is. Right-click, copy, come back to Google Translate. So just type here Google Translate, click on enter. We can go and paste this here. It will automatically detect the language. And over here, Hindi to English. A cat, sweet mouse. Obviously, they're going to rewrite. So obviously this is going to be direct translated. What I recommend is you copy this English version, you come over to a tool called Grammarly, which will just correct all the grammar of your specific text. So let's just come over to grammarly.com. So I'm just going to go and click on login and log in with my account. Go and click on new document here. So it will open this up in a new tab. Right click and paste all of your text. We can click on done. And over here we can see all of these text that is underlined. We can go and correct. So to drink all your milk, or if you have cat as a pet, or if you have a cat as a pet, and you can pretty much see, you can see over here, your overall score is 84. Maybe click on this just to correct. Close this. You can also download these PDF reports and include them with your service to show you the performance of this, of your service, which gives you a good reputation. And you can see your clarity is clear, delivery is just right, engagement a bit bland. Overall, your entire article looks good. So we don't actually need to correct anything here, but you can see over here, they found 5 additional issues, maybe punctuation, etc., that you can always go and correct. But right now, the correctness looks good. So this is an article you will go, for example, and translate, that you will deliver in a PDF format or a Word document format or text format to your client that has now paid you on latium.org. If you want to scale your translation business even more, you can come over to Google and just type in freelance platforms, and you can go and post on multiple platforms. I just like Latium.org right now because the competition is not very high. So we can come over to this website called webflow.com, 22 best freelancers to freelance websites to find work in 2022. So over here we've got Upwork.com, we've got Designhill, we've got TopTal, we've got LinkedIn and LinkedIn Pro Finder. We work remotely. So for example, if we come over to We Work Remotely, click on enter. We can come over to the first link over here. You can go and click on post a job on the top right. Go and fill in all the same information. So for your category, this would fall under all other remote, full-time, job contract, and you can go and post a job over here offering your service. Again, you can come back to webflow.com and you can come over to, for example, TopTal, which is another example. So toptal.com. Let's click on enter. Here you can see we want to go apply as a freelancer. I am a freelance, for example. Let's go consultant, project manager. Let's just go and click on designer, enter all your information, and you're obviously going to select translation jobs, and you go and literally copy and paste your same information that you posted on Latium, and you can come back to webflow.com and you can go and post on Upwork, you can go and post on designhill.com, you can go and post on simplyhire.com, and you want to get your service out there as much as possible. Another good website here, dribble.com, obviously Fiverr, people per hour, but I'm assuming competition on Fiverr will be very high. So a good way to really rank up on Fiverr is to go and promote your service on other platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, you name it. Get clicks and sales and links and referrals to your Fiverr gig through the link in your bio or however you want to promote it. And when Fiverr sees that you're getting traffic from external platforms, they will bump up your service up when you get more reviews, positive likes, etc., or whatever on your gig. That's when Fiverr platform and the algorithm will promote you more, because Fiverr obviously will only promote the services where they're getting the most sales and making the most money from. Because remember, Fiverr is a business. They're also there to make money. We've got peopleperhour.com, so you can go and post on all of these over here. You've got guru.com, another good one, freelancer.com, freelance.com. We've got Angel List. So this link over here, it's just webflow.com/blog/freelance websites. I literally just Googled freelance platforms and it was the first link. So you want to go and maybe post on all of these and get as much as exposure as possible. What I'm going to do is to help you out even more. I'm going to give you an entire playlist on how you can scale an online business by selling rare high income skills and services all around the world. So over here on the screen, I'm going to leave a link to my drop servicing playlist, which will teach you how to sell high ticket services like web development, mobile app development, coding, programming and tech, any of those services where people charge thousands of dollars in your local area. For example, there's a company in my city that charges up to $2,000 to design a website when someone on Fiverr makes the exact same thing for just like $80. Now you can go and create a corporate branding web funnel or website listing the same service, selling that through your checkout at, for example, $300. And all you do is you go over to Fiverr.com, pay someone $80 and you keep $220 in your pocket, and you just transfer that service from your service provider on Fiverr to your client and keep over 300% in your pockets. It's an amazing model called drop servicing. I've got an entire playlist over here. I've also got a paid program on this, which is an in-depth 57 video intensive training program, which is the first link in the description. So if you want to go and check that out, there's a playlist over here, a free playlist, and there's also the first link in the description. So make sure to go and click on one of these and I'll see you over there.